Right, so question 10, it's probability related. So the box below shows terms used to describe the probability of an event. You've probably seen this before. So certain, unlikely, impossible, and equal chance, or 50-50. Okay, so for each event, you need to label them. Use one of these terms. So a newborn baby is a boy. Well, that's equal chance, right? It's 50-50. Could be a girl, could be a boy. So I would say that's an equal chance. New Year's Day falls on the 1st of January, so that's certain. I'm just looking through them here. It snows in Dublin during May. And you get a 7 when you roll, right? So this one is clearly impossible. There is no 7 on a 6-sided dice. So this one is impossible. You should probably go through them all before writing your answer, just in case there's one that's more ridiculous than the other, or more certain than the other. So snowing in Dublin in May, of course, it might happen. So it's unlikely, but it could actually happen. So that's why that one's unlikely. So no harm to not fill them in until you've read them all. And the newborn baby then is equal chance. Okay, 50-50 in other words. Okay, so that's what you needed to do for those 4 events. And then write each of the labels A, B, C, D in the correct location here. Okay, so the equal chance is 50-50, which is here. B, you get a 7, so this is impossible. So that will mean this will be over here. C is certain, so C is 1 or 100%, and D is unlikely. So it's somewhere in here. It's probably like 25% likely or even less. So I'd probably put it here, around here somewhere. Somewhere in there. Okay. That's the answer for that part. Next part, Sophie visits the school canteen with her friends. The menu is shown below. So they've got 3 courses: starter, main course, and dessert. Write down 4 different combinations that she could pick. So you can pick whichever you want. Okay. So we'll go for vegetable soup. We'll go for vegetable soup twice. So vegetable soup, we'll go for F and C, which is fish and chips. And we'll go for apple pie. Okay, I'm going to go for vegetable soup and fish and chips again. And this time I'm going to go for chocolate muffin. Okay, so those are 2 different combinations. I'll go for garlic bread here now this time. Garlic bread. I'll go for vegetable lasagna. You can pick any of them really. I'll go for chopped muffin. And I'll go for garlic bread again. And I'll go for shepherd's pie this time. Shepherd's pie. And chocolate muffin again. Right, so that's basically it. You can have any combination you like as long as the set of them are different, right? So I took veg soup 2 times there, but that and fish and chips 2 times, so that's not a problem as long as these are different, right? So they are 4 different combinations. So there's lots of them. In fact, we'll tell you now after the next question how many there is in total. Work out the total number possible. Okay, so you've got 2 starters multiplied by 3 main multiplied by 2 desserts. So 2 by 3 is 6, and by 2 more is 12. So it's 12 possible combinations. So you could have a different 4 to me, as long as they're different combinations. There's 12 in total. Okay, so that's it for question 10.